Depensa itong presence ng si Devante sa loob no? Ang hirap tibagin
5 points sa araw na ito para kay Raimundo. Deerfoot's on top by 1 precarious point, 41-40. Here's Velasco. Under a minute to go in the first half. Closely fought first half, in fact. Ito, Wainwright goes up, no go. Rebound for Simon. Ay, nagawa ng bola mula sa likod.
Tumigil kasi siya.
Here's Wainwright for 3. Kanigurado na.
Ako na dalawang rebounds na ako, ha?
36 seconds remaining in the second period. Adugo. Raimundo. James Yap. Inside. One-hander, no go. Adugo. Good score!
Yun ang naibibigay ni Romel Aducol, no? Kaya si James Yap, yung mga shooters ng Pure Foods, okay ng tuwira-tuwira. Alam nila. Si Aducol, ang role na kumuha lang ng rebound. Tignan natin to. Ang musultira, ba't Aducol was there? At ang dami, tatlo yung humataw kay Aducol dun, Yun lang.
The real chink in his armor. So hindi na kompleto ni Aducol ang 3-point play. Nonetheless, tatlo ang abante rito ng Pure Foods, 43-40. Tumingin ng 30-second timeout ang Welco Dragons because they will try to write the last sentence of the second chapter. Correct.
Ganun yun, di ba? Oo,
Unang araw. Ikaw ba nakukumpleto mo yung...
Hindi. Hindi ko na ako kompleto. Usually, unang araw na ako nakapunta
Hindi mo man lang sinusubukan. Shame on you, Mr. Pasha. Shame on you. Nagawa mo si pulutan yung puto bumbong. Here's Ibanez.
Masarap na buhay.
Ayun. Kaya hindi ba nakukumpleto. 7 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Joe Devance, man of the moment. Here in the first half, Devance on the move. Devance fires off the glass at the buzzer. JDV,
Ano ba?
Joe Devance.
Magko-conference muna sila?
Titingnan kung, 2 points, 3 points, o counted, no? But here's that play.
Tignan natin kung kakount ito.
It counts.
Ko counted
It counts, yes. Matanong na lang kung 2 points o 3 points. 2 points siya. So counted yan. So the score will be 43-42 in favor of Pure Foods. But the story of the first half has been Joe Devance, man of the moment and a man on a mission. Siya ang lamang ng Pure Foods, 43-42 at the half. Yan ang halftime score. Atid sa inyo ng San Miguel by just 1, 43-42 against the Welco Dragons. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Miko Halia along with Big Bad Barry Pasqua. At dikit probably to the surprise of many, walang team ng talagang makalayo sa ball game na ito.
Itong Pure Foods, magandang panimula nito. The Giants led by as many as 11 points, 15-4. Pero pagpasok ni Joe Devance, nakabalik agad itong Welco Dragons.
Now let's look at the vital statistics from the first half of play para maintindihan nyo lalo bakit dikit ang ating
Ay,
laro.
ang taas na field goal percentage ng Welco, 50%. Rebounds naman, dun mo, bawi ang Pure Foods, 30-15. Obviously, namimiss ng Welco si J.R. Reyes. Steals, may 5 ang Welco. Makita nyo the rest. Kaya naman tabla tayo dito.
And that was your Petron XCS halftime report. At tuloy-tuloy na tayo sa mga unang bahagi ng second half. Third quarter action underway mula dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. Live na live tayo over ABC. Meantime, here's Kirby Raimundo and he will miss. Welco begins the third quarter with Denver Lopez, Ryan Aranya, Jaire Ibanez, Nick Velasco, and Joe Devance. And Velasco hits a TM3.
Just like that, naman ulit itong Welco Dragons. Kanina yung mintis si Kirby Raimundo. Pangalawang mintis na natutukan yun di ba?
Well, Nick Velasco is really giving Kirby problems at the post.
15 points para dito kay Nick Velasco.
Pure Foods begins the third quarter with James Yap, Roger Yap, Romel Aducol, Kirby Raimundo, and Ray Evangelista. Denver Lopez bagsak under the court, or under the backboard. Meantime, Denver Lopez got up and got the rebound. Binato kagad para kay Aranya. Aranya struggled all game long. And here's Ibanez para kay Devance outside. Velasco! Yes, sir! Back-to-back TM3 conversions for Nick Velasco.
Kanina nga sabi ni Richard De Rosario, itong Welco is taking the game outside. Para mas tumitira itong Dragons.
At alamin natin ang naging mga usapin ng Pure Foods at the half from Mr. Magoo.
Miko, Barry, yun nga yung ina-address exactly na ito ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Kanina 50% shooting ng well-coat in the first half. Ngayon, mahigit 50% na yan. Sabi ni Coach Ryan, we just cannot hope that they start missing their shots. We have to try and challenge and make them miss them. Lalong-lalo na dito kay Joe Devance, who is shooting 7 of 9 from the field. Tatlong iba't ibang tao na nga daw ang nagbantay dito kay Devance, pero pinanonood lang siya. China-challenge niya ngayon yung mga big men niya na husayan ang pagbantay dito at guluhin yung laro to make themselves feel better about themselves.
Yun yung laro,
Ni Joe Devance. Here's Yap. Roger Yap. Lost the ball. Pero last touch on Welcoat.
Well, may option sana si Yap na i-drop dito kay James, no? Yap to Yap sana, Pero dinretso lang ni Roger.
Good thing for Pure Foods, they will keep the basketball. Here's Raimundo. Raimundo. 2 free throws for Kirby Raimundo.
Yun ang veterano. Ipapasa sana niya, Narinig dito, tinira na. Ito si Kirby Raimundo. Ang matatawagan ng foul ay si Ryan Aranya.
Second personal against Aranya. Pasok ang unang free throw kay Kirby Raimundo. Meron na siyang 8 points in the ball game. Biggest lead ng Pure Foods back in the first half was 11 points. At buong akala natin ay tuluyan na nilang iiwan itong Welcoat, but
Ayaw magpaiwan.
hindi talaga nagpapaiwan ng Welcoat every time they play Pure Foods.
Right. Laging bigitan yan. Kung baka tutukod na lang sa dako huli. At yun ang gusto maiwasan ni Coach Leo Austria ngayon.
Can Joe Devance be just as hot here in the second half? Danny Ibanez clears the loose ball. Here's Ibanez. Lost the ball. And Adogol is all alone. Adogol for 2.
Nice touch up was Ryan Aranya. Pero sabi, way ahead na ito si Romel Adugol. Bakit pa? Sabi, kung hinabol niya yun at pinaul niya, hindi sumute. Medyo mahirap kasi Adugol sa free throws.
Pero ba't ko rin gagawin niya?
Pero na.
Bata pa naman ako. Ba't ko gagawin yun?
Baka magalit si Adugol sa akin.
Dadalawang isip ka talaga. That's why I don't blame Ryan. We're not even attempting to stop Adugol. Meantime,
Nabawi na lang si Ryan.
James Yap tinawagan ng foul.
Naku kahit sa free throw, minamana si Ryan Aranya. Aranya still scoreless dito sa ating ball game. Wow! Masama gising ito si Ryan.
That kind of night, para kay Aranya. Meantime, here's Roger Yap on the right side. And now Raimundo. Raimundo working from the outside para maiwanan ito si Nick Velasco. Now he has nowhere to go. Dito to ang bola, and it ends up with James Yap. James Yap against Ibanez, and now Ray Evangelista. Open shot!
Right! Way off!
Here's Aranya. Ibanez for 3. Sobra. Tatakbo Pure Foods dito. 3 on 3. Roger Yap.
Pabitin na naman ang tira ni Roger, but he failed to use the board that time.
That's his favorite shot, by the way.
Oo.
Yung pabitin. Si Denver Lopez yung tinawagan ng foul is first. Second team foul against Welcoat. Mintis maunang free throw ni Roger Yap.
Nakakahawa pala yun. Yung mga mintis sa free throws.
Ganun din naman yun. In the same manner, when one teammate gets hot, di ba kadalasan nahahawa rin yung iba. Everybody gets hot. Closing in on the 8-minute mark of the third period. Let's go back at 50-48. Pure Foods on top. Here's Velasco. Velasco twirls and misses.
At nakita mo, parang hinablot. Hindi naman Adugol yung rebound that time.
Uh-oh, Joe Devance is all alone. Hinabol ni Roger Yap, but Joe Devance will score his first basket of the second half. He has 18 points. 18 points.
12 to go.